Levanta is on an exciting mission. Visiting the world-class Christ Wash Systems factory in Germany. Christ Wash Systems, a family-owned business, has been one of Europe's leading vehicle wash manufacturers since 1963. Developed by people, for people, every system is inspired by the needs of customers and end users. Our team saw firsthand the precision, innovation and quality behind these outstanding European-made heavy vehicle wash systems. And now, we're bringing them to Australia. Levanta is proud to announce we've secured the exclusive agency for Christ Wash Systems in Australia. From German engineering to Australian workshops, the future of vehicle wash technology has arrived.